During an investigation prompted by the unexplained demise of screen legend Gene Hackman, FBI agents stumbled upon a concealed area beneath his lavish New Mexico estate. What started as a standard procedure quickly became alarming, with the location of an enigmatic subterranean passage, entirely undocumented on the property's schematics, descending into a murky, hidden space. Venturing down aged stairs, the agents illuminated a chamber that left them aghast, a repository filled with peculiar artifacts seemingly undisturbed for a vast period. Within vintage wooden containers lay faded photographs portraying unidentified figures, covert assemblies, odd locations, and nameless persons. Alongside these were antiquated files secured with leather, their pages darkened by time, filled with hurried notes seemingly chronicling incredible events. A separate box yielded personal belongings, an antique pocket watch, assorted jewelry, and a small journal filled with handwriting that hinted at confessions or vital recollections. In a shadowy recess of the tunnel stood an old metal portal, lacking a handle and secured by a formidable, corroded lock, raising urgent questions about what lay beyond and its potential connection to the deaths or an even more profound hidden truth. While the Bureau maintains confidentiality regarding the findings, speculation abounds, suggesting the tunnel might be part of a larger underground system or contain evidence of a decades-old conspiracy. Adding to the enigma, a strange assortment of tools was uncovered, blending items typical of a skilled artisan with implements resembling specialized, mysterious apparatuses. These startling findings represent merely the beginning stages of this deeply puzzling affair. The air crackled with unspoken doubts as the investigators exchanged skeptical glances. What truly transpired within this concealed space? With each shovelful of earth removed, they delved deeper, unearthing strange, archaic markings etched into the damp walls and enigmatic symbols scattered across the cold, stone floor. This unsettling tableau ignited a barrage of questions. Were these mere remnants of Gene Hackman's past eccentricities, or did they hint at something far more sinister, a hidden undercurrent of danger that lurked beneath the surface? Every peculiar item they retrieved, from tarnished trinkets to cryptic documents, fueled increasingly wild theories about the secrets Hackman had meticulously concealed. The potential answer, they knew, lay within the very heart of the tunnel itself, a mysterious, subterranean passageway that might hold the key to unlocking a truth everyone desperately sought. As the investigators painstakingly pieced together the fragmented clues, the public, gripped by morbid fascination, eagerly awaited each new development, their collective breath held in anticipation of the truth that still lingered, like a phantom, in the mansion's shadows. Gene Hackman's sprawling estate, a monument to wealth and isolation, had long been a subject of intense scrutiny, not only for its staggering multi-million-dollar value but also for its pervading, almost palpable, mysterious atmosphere. Situated in a secluded enclave, shielded by imposing walls and a formidable gate, the mansion stood like an impenetrable fortress, a place where opulence and secrets intertwined in a dark, intricate dance. Every meticulously crafted detail, from the impeccably manicured gardens to the lavishly appointed rooms, contributed to its aura of grandeur and enigma. However, beneath this veneer of splendor lay a shocking revelation, a secret tunnel, a clandestine passage that snaked beneath the very foundations of the estate. This hidden conduit had ignited a firestorm of speculation. Could it have served as an escape route during a moment of crisis, a means of fleeing unseen? Or was it constructed to conceal highly classified documents and invaluable items, treasures of a different kind? The tunnel not only cast a shadow of doubt over the very nature of the mansion itself, but also raised profound questions about Hackman's enigmatic life. The meticulous attention to detail evident in the design and security of the estate, as if a deliberate effort had been made to obscure certain aspects of his existence, was particularly troubling. With each newly discovered clue, the mansion transformed into a labyrinth of secrets, a puzzle box of concealed truths, igniting public curiosity and leaving everyone in a state of bewildered anticipation. The case took a dramatic turn when the FBI, during their investigation into Hackman's suspicious death, stumbled upon the hidden tunnel. How could such a covert passage have existed for so many years, eluding detection? Initial reports suggested that the tunnel might have been constructed decades ago, possibly for a specific, clandestine purpose. Some theorized that it was a secret passage designed to safeguard Hackman's privacy, a means of retreating from the prying eyes of the world. Others suggested it led to a hidden underground safe room, a vault for his most precious possessions. Still others speculated that the tunnel might connect to neighboring properties, hinting at an undiscovered network of hidden passages and secret alliances. As the investigators ventured deeper into the subterranean depths, they encountered a series of increasingly bizarre clues, ancient documents, their pages filled with cryptic symbols, unidentified devices, their purpose shrouded in mystery, and, most disturbingly, mysterious symbols etched into the walls, symbols that defied easy interpretation. One agent described them as belonging to an unsolved code system, a language of secrets. This discovery raised unsettling questions. Was Hackman concealing evidence of an undisclosed project, a hidden endeavor? Or was he simply obsessed with the idea of having a hidden refuge, a place to escape the world? Underground investigators also began scrutinizing property records, attempting to determine whether local contractors or previous owners had been aware of the tunnel's existence. Some nearby residents recalled strange, unsettling stories about workers who had mysteriously disappeared after working at the mansion, their fates unknown. Others believed it was simply an old escape route, a relic of a bygone era, part of a safety design from earlier times. As public attention intensified, rumors spread like wildfire. Some believed the tunnel was where Hackman had hidden a secret treasure, a cache of unimaginable wealth. Others suspected it was the site of clandestine underground dealings, a place where dark transactions took place. But was this tunnel merely a relic of a forgotten past, or did it hold the key to a far more complex and sinister mystery? The discovery had triggered an unprecedented scale of investigation, a deep dive into the hidden recesses of Hackman's life. The discovery of the tunnel beneath Gene Hackman's mansion was particularly shocking when juxtaposed with the strange, unsettling circumstances surrounding the deaths of the actor and his wife, Betsy. As investigators delved deeper into the case, a chilling question emerged: did the tunnel hold clues about the events that transpired in their final days? The mysterious nature of Hackman's death, coupled with the strange signs surrounding it, made the existence of the tunnel even more suspicious. Some speculated that it might have been used as a secret escape route, allowing someone to enter or exit the mansion undetected. But the crucial question remained: who would need such an escape route, and why? As agents meticulously examined the strange items recovered from the tunnel, they sought any clues that might shed light on the deaths of Hackman and Betsy. The old documents, photographs, and bizarre objects could hold the key to unlocking a hidden life, a side of Hackman that he had never shared with the public. The symbols etched into the walls, with their enigmatic designs, only deepened the mystery, hinting at a deeper narrative, possibly involving secret dealings or relationships that had remained hidden from public view. Neighbors and old friends of Hackman began to share their memories, each revealing new details that added layers of complexity to the investigation. Some recalled strange, unsettling conversations they had had with Hackman, conversations that hinted at troubles he had never openly addressed. Others remembered mysterious guests who arrived and departed at night, their presence shrouded in secrecy, leaving them to wonder what was being concealed behind the mansion's imposing walls. As the investigation progressed, the connection between the tunnel and the suspicious deaths of Hackman and his wife remained an unanswered question, a dark, looming shadow. Every new clue had the potential to either bring the truth into sharper focus or plunge the investigation into deeper, more perplexing darkness. The increasing silence from the authorities only served to fuel public suspicion. The secret tunnels, the strange markings, and the baffling artifacts discovered beneath Gene Hackman's mansion should have yielded definitive answers, but officials remained tight-lipped, their silence adding to the growing sense of unease. Every statement issued by the authorities was brief and vague, like fragments of a puzzle that refused to fit together. The FBI had meticulously searched every inch of the underground tunnel system, and the items recovered from beneath the mansion seemed to tell a story that had been deliberately obscured. Yet, as the public clamored for answers, they were met with an enduring, unsettling silence. Key questions hung in the air, unanswered and unresolved. What was the purpose of the tunnel? Who had entered and exited it? What secrets were being concealed beneath the ground? In a shocking twist, the FBI discovered a secret tunnel beneath Gene Hackman's mansion, and the contents they uncovered left them speechless in amazement. Agents found old, dusty cell phones with cracked screens, filled with unread messages, fragments that could reveal secret conversations, hidden transactions, or unsent warnings. Additionally, they discovered strange encounters with unknown names, locations that didn't exist on any map, and mysterious vials, evidence that raised suspicions about a secret treatment, an experimental drug, or even a dark conspiracy. Some vials were still sealed, while others had been used, but their contents and purpose remained unknown. Each item seemed to be a piece of a larger puzzle, a story that someone had desperately tried to keep hidden. Every small clue had the potential to unlock the door to the truth, and each new discovery brought them closer to unraveling the mystery that lay at the heart of Hackman's mansion. Everyone held their breath, unsure whether a horrifying secret would be revealed or if they were merely chasing fragmented pieces of a story that would never be fully understood. As the investigation continued, every new clue only deepened the mysterious veil surrounding Gene Hackman and his mansion. Strange discoveries in the basement, mysterious items, and unexplained signs had left both the public and investigators bewildered. What secrets were being hidden behind those walls? Unanswered questions continued to haunt, and this story was just beginning. Stay tuned for the latest updates, as the truth behind this case could completely change the way we view Gene Hackman and his past. As investigators delved deeper into the labyrinthine depths beneath the Hackman estate, they began to suspect the tunnel was more than a mere passage. It felt like a time capsule, a place where past and present intertwined in unsettling ways. The damp walls seemed to whisper secrets, and the strange symbols appeared to flicker in the dim light. They uncovered a hidden chamber, carefully concealed behind a false stone wall. Inside, they found a bizarre collection of artifacts, aged maps with cryptic routes marked upon them, wooden boxes filled with unidentified keys, and a series of parchment scrolls covered in indecipherable handwriting. One of the scrolls, when translated, revealed allusions to a secret society, a group of influential individuals who had met in secrecy for many years. As the investigators pieced together the clues, they began to suspect that Hackman may have been more than just an eccentric recluse. He may have been a member of this clandestine society. The tunnel, they surmised, could have been a secret passage for him to meet with his cohorts, or a place for him to conceal their secrets. The old cell phones found within the tunnel proved to be a treasure trove of information. Deleted messages and call logs, when recovered, revealed a network of secret communications. Hackman was in frequent contact with individuals using cryptic aliases, discussing matters of seemingly great importance. Investigators also discovered a series of photographs, some of which depicted Hackman in bizarre situations. In one photo, he was seen participating in a ritualistic ceremony, wearing a strange robe and standing amidst a group of individuals with obscured faces. Other photos showed him visiting remote locations and meeting with mysterious figures. As the picture of Hackman's secret life began to emerge, the investigators realized they were dealing with a far more complex mystery than they had initially imagined. The tunnel was not just a hidden passage, but a gateway into a secret underworld, one in which Hackman may have been an integral part. The investigators began to notice a pattern in the symbols etched on the walls. They were not random, they formed a complex code, a language of secrets that Hackman seemed to have mastered. Deciphering them became a priority, a key to unlocking the truth. Within the hidden chamber, they discovered a hidden compartment, a secret within a secret. Inside, they found a series of audio recordings, old reel-to-reel tapes. The voices on the tape spoke of clandestine meetings, coded messages, and a project referred to as the Lazarus Protocol. The photographs they found revealed a different side of Hackman, a man involved in activities far removed from his public persona. He was seen attending secret gatherings, engaging in hushed conversations with influential figures, and visiting locations that were not on any official maps. As the investigation deepened, the investigators began to suspect that Hackman's death was not a mere accident. The tunnel, they believed, was a crucial part of a larger puzzle, a puzzle that involved powerful individuals and hidden agendas. The discovery of a hidden laboratory within the tunnel further complicated the investigation. It contained strange equipment, experimental devices, and vials filled with unknown substances. The lab hinted at a secret project, one that Hackman may have been involved in, a project that someone wanted to keep hidden. The investigators began to feel a sense of unease, a feeling that they were delving into a world far more dangerous than they had anticipated. The secrets hidden within the tunnel were not just relics of the past, they were part of an ongoing mystery, a mystery that threatened to unravel the very fabric of their understanding. As they continued their investigation, they knew that they were walking a tightrope, balancing on the edge of a precipice. The truth, they realized, was not just hidden, it was buried, concealed beneath layers of deception and intrigue. And they were determined to unearth it, no matter the cost. The investigators began to notice a pattern in the symbols etched on the walls. They were not random, they formed a complex code, a language of secrets that Hackman seemed to have mastered. Deciphering them became a priority, a key to unlocking the truth. Within the hidden chamber, they discovered a hidden compartment, a secret within a secret. Inside, they found a series of audio recordings, old reel-to-reel tapes. The voices on the tape spoke of clandestine meetings, coded messages, and a project referred to as the Lazarus Protocol. The photographs they found revealed a different side of Hackman, a man involved in activities far removed from his public persona. He was seen attending secret gatherings, engaging in hushed conversations with influential figures, and visiting locations that were not on any official maps. As the investigation deepened, the investigators began to suspect that Hackman's death was not a mere accident. The tunnel, they believed, was a crucial part of a larger puzzle, a puzzle that involved powerful individuals and hidden agendas. The discovery of a hidden laboratory within the tunnel further complicated the investigation. It contained strange equipment, experimental devices, and vials filled with unknown substances. The lab hinted at a secret project, one that Hackman may have been involved in, a project that someone wanted to keep hidden. The investigators began to feel a sense of unease, a feeling that they were delving into a world far more dangerous than they had anticipated. The secrets hidden within the tunnel were not just relics of the past, they were part of an ongoing mystery, a mystery that threatened to unravel the very fabric of their understanding. As they continued their investigation, they knew that they were walking a tightrope, balancing on the edge of a precipice. The truth, they realized, was not just hidden, it was buried, concealed beneath layers of deception and intrigue. And they were determined to unearth it, no matter the cost.